Not everything you scrapbook needs to be a major event. If you had a day at the park or a day at the beach, or in this case, a day of us out on the tube in the lake, this is important to me and I love the picture, so I'm going to scrapbook it. I went ahead and cut my photos already. 4 photos that are 3 by 4. They need to be vertical pictures, and 1 normal 4 by 6. You can trim some if you need to. So I'm going to set those aside. We are going to take the beige piece of paper I have right here, and I'm going to cut 2 inches off the side of that. And now I'm going to turn it 1 rotation and cut this in half. So I'm still cutting at 6, because my 2 inches cut off was at the end here. So I have 2 even pieces here. And these 2 pieces are going to be here and here when we have them laid out. And now I'm going to take this sheet and I'm going to use the cyclic circles, and I am going to make 2 different borders with the border maker system. So this goes in teeth side up. And I need 2 of them, so I'm just going to turn it around. And do the other side. And then you can trim that to however wide you want that piece of paper to be. All right, clean up that mess. All right, these are going at the bottom of the paper. So I don't want them, I want this side to be as wide as that side. So I'm not looking for a real wide border here. And always cut wider. You can always come back and make it a little smaller if you want. So now these, I want them to be the same size as this, so you can either take a pair of scissors or you can trim it with your, so I'm going to go up a little bit. I'm just going to trim it with my pair of scissors. And then I'm going to save that and I'll show you why. Go ahead and stick this on the bottom. Repositionable tape runner is great for that. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So stick it on. You can put the tape on first if you want. And I'm going to save that one as well. And then I'm going to match these up so I know when they're across from each other, they're the same distance. So you have your bottom pieces. These are going to go in the middle here. And now if you like the way this looks, you could put these up here just for some extra color. You could do one on each side, or you could just do the outsides, or you could not use them at all, depending on the color, depending on what border maker you use. And that can be a laser embellishment, or it can be one of the long sticker strips as well. And now you're just going to put your photos along here. I'm actually not a fan of those on this page. And now you still can put some photos down here. You could put more stickers, embellishments, you could make a journal box, but that is as simple as it gets, cutting one piece of paper and some whatever border maker cartridge. Again, this is the cyclic circles that I used. And you have a page done, and just write about the day. What was the weather like? What was the water like? What did you all do? So a very easy page, and just celebrating your everyday moments, not just a big event.